Okay, it's been about 6 months since I grafted these apple trees, and you can see that the grafting tape is still around the cleft graft, and the actual tree has bloomed. So it's now time to take it off, and the only way to do that is to carefully, using a Stanley box cutter, slice down very carefully along the graft tape and try to peel it without too much disturbance. Okay, as you can see, I've sliced down the grafting tape and exposed the graft, and now I'm ready to peel it off. Okay, this graft here has been fully exposed now. The grafting tape has been taken off, and you can see that the graft is taken really well. It's calloused over, and it's actually growing quite well. You can see how the callus has formed, and now the graft is pretty secure, and hopefully it will continue to grow and develop into a nice unique branch. You can see now that the three branches have now removed the grafting tape, and there you go. You can sort of have a closer look at the join there. It's taken really well. Likewise with that one, and this one over here as well. I understand that apple trees usually have a single leader, and then the graft is put onto the laterals on the side, but I decided to have three main leaders and graft it in a way that suits probably stone fruit more so, but it's very distinct that the three leaders are three different types of apples. Here are the six apple trees that I've grafted. Most of them have at least three different grafts on the one tree. That's the first one. The white tags indicate that they've been grafted. So that one there, at this stage, only 2 grafts. This one here has 3 separate grafts. Over to this one, there's 2 branches, 2 grafts. The young one next to it will probably be grafted this winter if it thickens up. Over here, this one also has 2 grafts, peas body and a snow apple, and the thick one on the left is a Granny Smith, so I'm hoping that I might be able to graft on that during the winter. And the last one, the Golden Delicious, has 1 different graft, so Golden Delicious is fine on its own, and the Pixie Crunch on top. So trying to shape them so they can spread out. I actually want to make them tall enough that we can walk underneath and mow around them quite easy with the ride on. So I don't really want them too short and not too high that we can't pick them. This one here near the picnic table is a Pixie Crunch, and you can see this one is basically a single specimen tree, and it is pruned a little bit different to the ones that are in the row down here.